Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on Facebook. Stick around until the end to learn all the steps and tips to update your profile name quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open up the Facebook app on your phone, and once you are in the app, we need to get to the settings. Now to access your settings, tap on the menu button, and this will open up a list of options. Next, what you have to do is tap on the gear icon, which is in the top right corner, to go into your settings. And once you are in the settings menu, tap on Account Center, which you will find at the top of the page. And this is where you manage your profile settings across all Facebook services. Now tap on Profiles, and you will see a list of all the profiles linked to your account. So choose the one you want to change the name of. And after selecting your profile, you will see a list of options. So click on Name to start editing. And here you can type in your first name, middle name, or last name. But remember, once you change your name, you would not be able to change it again for 60 days. So make sure everything is correct before proceeding. And when you're ready, tap Review Change at the bottom of the screen. Now Facebook will show you a preview of your new name so you can double check everything. And if everything looks good, click on Save Changes. And just like that, your new name is updated on Facebook. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.